how to install WordPress in Hostinger. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a web hosting provider known for offering affordable and reliable hosting solutions for individuals and businesses. And now to start, all you need to do is simply go to this hostinger.com and simply sign in your account on Hostinger. And to start installing the WordPress in here, all you need to do is to simply purchase some of the plan that they offer. And after that, from here, you can simply go to the website section by clicking this website option on the left side panel. We can click here, this add website, to start adding the website for WordPress. But as you can see, I already have here my WordPress. But to add a new one, just simply click this add a website button right here. Then simply click the WordPress option. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed or show you on this pop-up window that you need to upgrade to premium account. But since I've already updated or upgraded my account, which is the single web hosting, I'm only allowed to create one website in here. But to add more, such as 25 website limit, you can simply purchase the plan in here, which is the premium web hosting and the business web hosting. And let's say you already had here your premium plan on Hostinger, you can simply create or add Hostinger website in here. And after that, to install it, just click the dashboard button right here. And upon doing so, you will be directed on this page. And all you need to do is to simply find on the left side panel in here this website option. By clicking on it, just proceed by clicking Auto Installer. Then it will show you a variety of application that you can install, and just click this WordPress Select. By clicking on it, it will show you in here some of the things that you need to fill out to successfully install the WordPress in here. Which is the first one is to simply enter the website credentials, website title, administrator email, administrator username, and also to generate your own password in here. So after filling out all of this required information, you can now simply click the next button in here to proceed. But make sure that in generating a password to follow some of these requirements, such as one number, one lowercase letter, 8 to 50 characters, one symbol, one uppercase letter, and only Latin letters. And after that, from here you can simply select the application version, but as you can see, it is recommended to try or select the latest version. And you could also select the languages that you prefer, and even the disk space and the PHP in here. Now under application updates, just simply select here this update only to minor version. And after that, just click the install button to proceed. Then you should be able to start installing it. And since I've already have here installed my WordPress, it says here overwrite current files. So basically after installing the WordPress, you can simply sign in your account, and after that, you will be directed on this dashboard of WordPress, where you can start navigating on the left side panel some of the options to start creating a website, installing some of the plugins, and many more. But overall, that is just basically how to install WordPress in Hostinger.